Alright, so I've got my little 12 volt charger here, force charging this little Powertron battery right here. Let's see, got it plugged in and it's charging a battery set that's been sitting for a while without charge. And of course, there's no reducer on this car, so you've got accessories pulling off of these two batteries, and you've got accessories pulling off of those two batteries. These two batteries don't have anything. They're isolated from accessories. They're not doing anything as far as accessories go. So these batteries are actually measuring at a proper voltage of 8.6. They were dead, but they have recovered. And I've got my voltmeter probes on that battery tied to the accessories, and you can see where it's at. It's I've already force charged it once the other day. I gave it about maybe 20-30 minutes just on that battery, and then that battery, and then each one of these. And they've all dropped back down to 0. So I'm doing this one again and hoping for the best. But under 20 volts DC readings, we're at 1.8. So I mean, it's going to go up, of course, because these are fairly new batteries, but it really all depends on how long they can actually hold their voltage in the end. Just like these two have actually had less time under a force charge, but they're holding their healthy voltage back up again, about 8.6. So I've been trying to force feed these 4 batteries to get the accumulated battery pack voltage up high enough to kick on the original charger there. But once these are at a certain level, at 0, that relay in the charger won't kick on and won't charge these batteries. So that's what we're looking at. If I can't recover these, then, I mean, there's just too many that's too far gone. Even if they are new, they're compromised, so they'd have to, the whole pack would have to be replaced. I wouldn't want to put new batteries in here with even these two, because I'm going to put better batteries in here for the money. So that's what's going on here. It's what I'm looking at. It's what we're reading. We're at 2.66, and I'll give it plenty of time. I'll let it go up. I'm actually going to give that battery probably about an hour, maybe even 2 hours, and just see if it can hold its voltage, so I can get this, get each one up high enough to kick on that charger. Of course, there's ways to hijack that or hotwire that charger to force everything into this battery pack, but I really don't recommend doing that unless you don't mind an explosion of acid in front of you, in your face. By all means, go for that method, but this is a little bit more gentle. Plus, putting a higher voltage, 12 volts charger on an 8 volt battery, a higher voltage will actually help to break up the sulfate in the batteries, or it'll help dissolve that acid back up into the water and increase your range because of that. Thanks for watching.